Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Leeds Mortgage account. Logging into Leeds Mortgage account is a straightforward process, so let's get started right away. First of all, open your preferred web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in leedsbuildingsociety.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you get to the official site for Leeds Building Society, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Once you end up in the login screen, you will now need to enter your credential. To view and manage your mortgage account, you will need to enter your credentials correct. Type in your username in the username box and then click on the next button. If you've forgotten your username, you can click on I've forgotten my username, remind me now link. If you are new to Leeds Building Society and you have not created an account yet, you'll first need to register online. Click on Register for Online Services button at the bottom and follow through the registration process. Once you've got an account for yourself, you can type in the username associated with your account in the login page and click Next. On the next page, enter your password. In the text boxes, you'll need to enter the second, sixth, and the 8th character of your password that you previously set up for your account while registering. After typing down the password, click on Next, and you will be able to log into your Leeds Building Society account. Once you're inside, you can now manage your mortgage, make your payments, view activity, and access important documents. So that is how you can easily sign in to Leeds Mortgage account online in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.